Welcome back for another Filecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Filecoin chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Filecoin has continued to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to trade within this ascending channel, which at some point yesterday gave us a breakout to the upper side, and you can see that we are trying to get a successful retest of the upper side of the channel before we can continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and if I zoom out on the charts so that you can better see that, you can see that after seeing our December lows at around the $2.467 mark, we saw a 5-wave structure to the upside in a move that gave us a high at around the $9.5 mark, in a move that also completed the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1 to the upper side. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2 in a move that has now given us a low at around the $4.213 mark within our minimum retracement area highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And having seen the low for this second wave, I now believe that Filecoin is now ready for a massive pump in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3 to the upper side. And in case we see a massive breakout out of our ascending channel, get a successful retest and continue gearing up, and also see a 5-wave structure to the upside also play out, then that will be enough confirmation that whatever we are seeing here on the charts is the start of that impulsive wave in the formation of that wave 3, and that Filecoin has been able to put in place the low for that second wave and is now ready for that massive pump in the formation of that wave 3. And if I jump on the 1 hour chart to also give you a chart pattern that has been in formation, which is also raising concerns because that could give us a bit of a pullback here on the Filecoin chart. If I zoom out here on the 1 hour chart, you can see that after seeing our breakout yesterday, we were able to hit the area at around the $4.9 mark, which has now been acting as resistance, and we tried to break above that key area of resistance twice yesterday, and as a result of that we were able to see the formation of this double top. And this is a chart pattern that breaks to the lower side, having the minimum target areas for the breakout being given by the height between the tops and the neckline. And we can be able to get that height, place it below the neckline to give me a minimum target area to the lower side at around the $4.742 mark. And if by any chance Filecoin continues to see further breakdown, and maybe we lose our neckline for this chart pattern at around the $4.8 mark, then that will be suggesting further breakdown here on the Filecoin chart, where we could see a massive breakdown to the lower side to the area at around the $4.742 mark, which is the minimum target area given by the height between the tops and the neckline. And that is what I'm expecting here on the Filecoin chart, and this could be a very nice trade that you need to keep your eyes on. Continue tracking that and watch out for a break below the neckline at around the $4.8 mark, because that will result to further breakdown to the area at around the $4.742 mark. And getting back to the 4-hour chart to take a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 61 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.